The Saramonic BLINK500B2 Plus delivers clear, reliable wireless audio for two people, making it a strong choice for interviews, vlogging, and live streaming on the go. Its dual clip-on transmitters with built-in omnidirectional microphones and switchable noise reduction handle both quiet rooms and noisy streets surprisingly well. The compact receiver offers easy-to-read status on its display and lets you choose mono, stereo, or a safety track, which is very reassuring for important shoots. Connectivity is a major strength, with included options for cameras, smartphones, tablets, and computers, so you can move between devices without extra adapters. Battery life is excellent, with long runtimes on both transmitters and receiver, plus a charging case that meaningfully extends shooting days without hunting for power outlets. The system is lightweight, simple to operate, and packs professional-style features into a very portable kit that suits creators who need dependable audio without much setup.